Today I'm gonna show you how to clean and store your fruits and berries so that they last you a full week. Usually berries last around 3 to 4 days, which is not enough time to enjoy them. But if you follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video, they will last you a full week. Let's get started.
First, we're going to add the berries to a bowl and wash them. Even though it's much easier to wash all the fruits together, it's better not to wash heavy fruits like plums with more delicate fruit like strawberries and blueberries so they don't get squished. After rinsing the fruits, I always soak them in baking soda or vinegar for 5 to 10 minutes. I don't really measure, just a sprinkle is usually enough, and this is going to remove any dirt, wax, and pesticides, and white vinegar is also going to reduce the number of bacteria on the skins. After they're done soaking, I rinse them again in cold water. Next, we need to dry all the fruits. I like to use paper towels when the fruits cause stains, and if not, I use clean tea towels. I'm going to spread them out and give them some space so they can dry faster. This step is super important because moisture ruins the fruit faster. So please don't skip this step. If you have strawberries or raspberries, you may notice that after washing them, some pieces started to soften. So I like to scan the berries and find these pieces to eat them right away because these ones won't last as long. Of course, there are many factors that contribute to faster spoilage, and one of them is how fresh the fruits were when you bought them. The fresher the fruit, the longer they will last.
Okay, now that all our fruits and berries are washed, we're gonna wait for them to completely dry. We don't want a single little droplet of moisture on them before storing them because that will absolutely ruin their lifespan. So we're gonna wait until they are completely dry, and then we're gonna come back and then store them. I'll see you in about 20 minutes. Something like that.
Before storing, I like to line a paper towel on the bottom of the container to absorb some of the moisture that the fruit releases while in the fridge.
فينا نعمل شاي من الستامز؟
فينا، فيك تعمل شاي من شو ما كان.
فينا نعمل شاي من شو ما كان؟
I don't usually cover them while storing, but if you wanted to, make sure to leave a small opening to let the moisture escape. Remember, moisture is the enemy. This is how I always prep my fruits, and I started doing this method when my son started solids because I wanted to give him the cleanest and freshest fruits possible. And even though it takes a little bit more time, it makes them last much longer.
مش أحلى بخزنة شاي ما فيها بزر؟
ما بعرف، اسئلتك غريبة. أحلى إيه، بس إنه أحيان لا. ليه بدي آخذ هالقد وقت؟ خلص بزقة وشيلها. أنت ليش بدي أقعد فقي لك إياهم كمان؟
لا إلي شو لا إلي لإلنا.
لإلنا بفضل معلش كلنا ناكلها وبنبزق البذرة لكن ورم البرتز.
Let me know in the comments how you store your fruits, and I hope you give this method a try.
And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, and a special thank you to all the Patreons that support me and this channel. And I'll see you next time.
شو بتسمي بيري مسكرة الطريق؟
ما بعرف شو بتسمي بيري مسكرة الطريق؟
نبيل بيري. Are you English?
Are you English? Are you speaking English? طيب يلا حنبلش حنبلش ب my berries.